Okay, so listen, by hook or by crook, you are getting what you want. Okay, for that, you even if you have to fall down, you will fall down. Even if you have to, I'll be straightforward. Some major events in your life, you are about to be, you know, this close of something, and you feel like, यार मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, and you are about to give up on something. Okay, and when you give up on something, there will be nothing left. आपने वो गिव अप ही कर दिया है, तो वो आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है. ठीक है. आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. एक बहुत पुरानी स्टोरी आपने सुनी भी होगी कि एक व्यक्ति रहता है जो हीरे की खदान में हीरे हीरे खोजने के लिए खुदाई करता है. ठीक है. करते रहता है आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स, 6 मंथ्स, 7 मंथ्स, फिर उसको कोई भी फायदा नहीं दिखता है उसमें. उसको लगता है कि सारी चीजें बस मेरे टाइम पास के, मतलब मेरा टाइम पास ही कर रही है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. बट एट द एंड ही गिव्स अप. एंड एट द एंड ही गिव्स अप. एंड सेम जगह पे एक दूसरा व्यक्ति जाता है. जस्ट आधे घंटे की खुदाई के बाद उसको वहां से हीरा प्राप्त. एंड ही लिव्स हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर. आप इतने ही क्लोज हो अभी. ठीक है. सो डोंट गिव अप. यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग अ जॉब. I think that's what you are manifesting money. Okay, you are manifesting financial stability. And I'm seeing a financial stability coming in your life. But the whole thing is you had to be on a track. You just cannot give up. You just cannot just give up at the very end, very edge. Like you cannot just stop at the very edge of reaching your success, reaching your desire. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. All I'm saying was keep pushing so you get what you want. If you give up, everything, every hard work of yours will be whoosh like that. It will vanish and there will be no reward for your hard work. Let's see what else you are manifesting in your life. I want to know. This should be just three. I I will try to be very specific. You are this close to getting that particular flower. Can you see the flower in a full stand? See, you are this close. This. You cannot see. This close. This close. This close to get what you want. Don't give up. See, now it makes whole sense. Now it makes all sense. That why you don't want any authoritative person, a person with a father figure, a person who has a father figure who commands. You don't want them in your life because you want your own success. That's what I'm seeing. You want your own success. And I'm seeing you become successful, baby. Just don't give up. You know that domino effect? आपने वो ब्रिक वाली वीडियो देखी है जिसमें एक कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर ब्रिक्स को ऐसे लगाता है, बहुत सारे ब्रिक्स को लगाता है. देन ही जस्ट पुश वन ब्रिक एंड देन एवरी ब्रिक स्टार्ट्स टू फॉल डाउन. सारे ब्रिक्स एक साथ धीरे धीरे गिरने लगते हैं. ठीक है. एंड एट द एंड जब एकदम लास्ट वाला ब्रिक गिरता है, तो वो लास्ट वाला ब्रिक जब सीधा होता है ऐसे, तो उसके सामने वाला ब्रिक भी ऐसे होता है. फिर मतलब फिर वो सारे ब्रिक्स एक साथ परफेक्टली अलाइंड हो जाते हैं. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम सीइंग फॉर यू. ओके, सो डोंट गिव अप. Push a little, and everything will fall into place. Everything will fall into places. That's it. That's the thing that I'm getting. The main, you will going to get justice. You will going to get justice. See, you will. Main thing is all I'm saying was don't give up. Okay, that's all for this video. If you resonated, please like, share, and comments. That will be real. I will be very grateful. And one simple like and subscribe. That's it. So, see you in my next reading. Okay.